Sa buong buhay ko, hindi siguro ako magkakaroon ng Hush Puppies na sapatos kung hindi nag-sale ang D-Kicks dito sa Binondo earlier this year. And now, they're back for their final sale this year. At grabe talaga, imagine this, Hush Puppies for only 1,000 plus? Seriously? At hindi lang pala yan, may Palladium at K-Swiss din. Especially sa mga big size, 1,000 plus na lang din. Pero ito yung mas matindi. Pag bumili ka ng second pair, plus 50% off pa yan sa lower price shoes on top of the discount. Sobrang sulit talaga. Meron din sila mga Hush Puppies bags, Sebago, Ipanema, at iba pang imported footwears. All types of payment accepted. Nandito sila sa second floor ng State Center, Juan Luna Street, Binondo, Manila. Entrance fee is 50 pesos, but if you take this screenshot, 20 pesos na lang ang entrance. They're here from December 15 to 21, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and as usual, magdala ng fan dahil mainit sa loob. And another good news for FFCCCII members, free entrance lang. Just bring your ID. So kung matagal ka na naghahanap ng legit shoes dito sa Binondo, ito na yun. Habol na habang wala pang pila.